Hi everyone! Baking equipment is this week's Ingrid's Insights. Are you a baker? Do you love baking cakes and pies and lovely apple pies and maybe even, do you do fancy layered cakes in different colors? Or would you love to be a baker, but actually, if you're honest, you maybe bake a cake once per year or maybe some muffins or something, and that's where it ends. But because you would love to be a baker, you have a cupboard full of baking equipment in your kitchen. And this is the perfect opportunity to show you this cake decorating set that I actually found in my kitchen cupboard. Now I'm going to actually have to ask my other half to see if he's actually used this at all, because this does not look familiar to me. Now I am not the baker in this family, he is, and occasionally the kids, so I'm not going to declutter this without asking them if they actually use this. But this is a perfect example of things that we kind of buy with the best intentions and that we then might never be using. I mean, we know we have to check the dates on flour on a regular basis and kind of the food colorings and things like that, but also have a look at the equipment itself. Yes, you want to keep a mixing bowl, yes, you want to keep weighing scales, but have you got lots of these kind of molds that you use, or actually you realize you never use them at all, or you've got these cookie cutters in all kinds of different shapes and sizes? Well, you only make cookies once a year and you always take the same cookie cutter. So have a look through your baking equipment, be realistic and see what you actually use, and otherwise donate it to somebody else, because somebody else might absolutely love the things that are just sitting in your cupboards gathering dust. So thanks so much for watching. This is Ingrid's Insights, and we'll see you next time.